What is up, bro? Here's today's trade recap. 2,863 on the day. Account almost exactly at 1.5k in profit. Eval exactly halfway to passing it, bro. This is insane. This is the trade that I took. Last thing, I don't know why I was confident that I wanted to trim right here. I would usually hold, but I ended up closing right here. If you look at my reel in the on Instagram, you can see I closed it right here. But this is literally, it's crazy. This is literally exactly what I wanted to happen. I was literally sitting in the pre-market when it was still like this, and I was looking at this 1 hour fair value gap. I was looking now, we swept this low in the pre-market move, and it's literally like an hourly setup. Sweep, break of structure, not really any inversion, pull back to a fair value gap. That's literally the exact strategy that I take on like the 5 minute, but when it happens on the hourly, it's like a lot more powerful. Ended up being a what, 1 to 2.19. Yeah, but that's literally exactly what happened. We make a move in the pre-market, sweep this very prominent high, make a move lower, break structure, with this candle. This is the structure that it breaks. Pull back to the hourly. Then I go down to the 1 minute. We go up. I wanted to take it like around right here, I think on NQ. Yeah, this gap right here. I was looking at it at this gap because, not indicators, but because it went up, it made a move lower, displaced, and then I was about to enter, but I just waited and it just kept going up. So then we actually go into it, fill the whole gap, inverse, or let me go on ES, because ES like only had this gap to inverse. Maybe like that tiny one, but I don't really care about that one. But NQ had like all this to inverse. I don't know what this weird volume is. But yeah, it inverse this gap, pull back to this one I entered. Yeah, so it went up. I was waiting for either this one to get filled or like for it to respect this or the 2 minute. And then when it just started moving lower, I entered and put my stop just to like if it actually does want to go into here, I have room for that. And then my target was this low, which actually didn't get hit with this move. It would have stopped me out and then it got hit. But I trimmed right here and this is literally exactly like wow, bro. I'm not confident enough yet to like send this in my free group. Like this is what I'm looking for, but this is exactly what I was looking for, bro. This 1 hour gap. I think it was on M2 RTY as well. Yeah, literally. Like this could have been the trade right here. And this places, well, like it's still respecting this one, so not. So ES was literally the perfect option today. I kind of don't even like ES that much because I was in with 5 contracts, and I feel like if I was in with 3 micro NQ, which I usually am, I would have been up more. But NQ wasn't even like close to my TP. I would have like closed it right here. Yeah. So 263 on the day, 1.5k on the week on the eval, bro. This is insane. I think I went 445 this week. Yesterday I lost 227. So I made up for yesterday loss and a bit more profit. I don't really think like that. I just made today. Yesterday is yesterday. Today is today. But bro, you really gotta start believing in Jesus and follow Jesus, bro. Oh my God, like since I started preaching him and I started actually talking to him, praying to him, reading his word, bro, my life has changed. This actually might be a setup as well. Sweeping this low, pulling back to a 5 minute, little forward test, let's say like if I entered off of this move. See if this hits. Yeah, bro, but Jesus Christ is actually doing wonders for me, bro. It's it's insane. It is insane. Here's like my week. Here's the week, bro. This is Monday, 5:06. Calm 1 to 8. Tuesday, 284 in 15 minutes. It was a smaller move, so I made a lot less. 732 on Wednesday, bro. This is my biggest trade ever. I scaled in, that's why it was a bit more profit. Here's a recap. And then this was yesterday, and then I took like another trade. So down 213, but I did like another little ass trade, got stopped at break even a little bit more. And this is today, bro. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. And I feel like this will get hit as well. I don't want to take it. I mean, it is already too late, but how much would it be if it was just like a one micro ES right here? Yeah, no, I don't want to lose $100. Yeah, bro. This is actually insane. All glory to Jesus. This is the recap for today. Hope you learned something from this, and let's get it, bro. Next week. Next week is next week. This week was absolutely amazing for me, bro. Absolutely amazing. Thank you, Lord. I'll catch you, my guy.